Welcome to Exam Sales VMware vSAN 6.7 Specialist Exam 2019 Study Guide. This video will cover the exam syllabus, highlighting the key topics and domains you need to focus on. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect from the exam and how to prepare. The VMware vSAN 6.7 Specialist Exam 2019 consists of 6 domains, each covering a specific aspect of vSAN. The domains are weighted as follows. Section 1, Architecture and Technologies, 24%. Section 7, Administrative and Operational Tasks, 20%. Section 4, Installing, Configuring, and Setup, 16%. Section 6, Troubleshooting and Repairing, 16%. Section 3, Planning and Designing, 12%. And Section 5, Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades, 12%. Section 1, Architecture and Technologies covers the core vSAN architecture components, storage objects, and data handling mechanisms. You'll learn about the vSAN software stack, object management, and storage policy-based management. Key topics include understanding vSAN software components and cluster architecture, distinguishing between all-flash and hybrid configurations, and managing vSAN storage objects and components. In Section 1, you'll also learn about the importance of disk groups and tiers, object-based storage, and CLOM-DOM interactions. Additionally, you'll understand how to implement witness host and witness appliance, and how to manage unicast communication in vSAN 6X environments. Section 7, Administrative and Operational Tasks focuses on Day 2 management, life cycle operations, and maintenance procedures. You'll learn about vSAN cluster maintenance and operations, security and resource management, and how to manage vSAN cluster health and proactive tests. Key topics include entering and exiting maintenance mode, selecting data migration options, and managing hardware replacements for failed disks. In Section 7, you'll also learn about managing vSAN encryption, KMS integration and configuration, and RBAC and permissions for vSAN administration. Additionally, you'll understand how to monitor capacity usage and threshold alerts, and how to utilize vSAN storage reporting and usage breakdown. Section 4, Installing, Configuring, and Setup covers the initial deployment workflows and networking configuration for vSAN. You'll learn about initial cluster deployment and configuration, networking for vSAN, and how to configure VM kernel interfaces for vSAN traffic. Key topics include using the vSAN cluster configuration wizard, configuring disk groups and claiming disks, and deploying vSAN witness appliance for 2-node stretched clusters. In Section 4, you'll also learn about configuring vSAN data stores and storage services, boot from vSAN and SD card USB installation considerations, and how to configure fault domains to improve resilience. Additionally, you'll understand how to configure Virtual Distributed Switch, VDS, requirements, implement NIOC for traffic management, and configure link aggregation, LACP, and teaming policies. Section 6, Troubleshooting and Repairing focuses on identifying, diagnosing, and resolving vSAN-specific technical issues. You'll learn about vSAN health service and monitoring tools, advanced troubleshooting using CLI and logs, and how to troubleshoot network connectivity and latency issues. Key topics include interpreting vSAN health check alerts and statuses, diagnosing disk group and hardware layer failures, and using the performance service to identify bottlenecks.